You know site protocols inside and out. You spot hazards from 50 yards away and have years of hands-on experience keeping crews alive. Yet when the Health, Safety, and Environment Manager position opens up, you are often passed over. Before we look at how to break through that barrier, a quick note. This video is for educational and career guidance purposes only. Results depend on individual experience, location, and market conditions. The barrier for highly skilled field workers is rarely a lack of safety knowledge. It is a communication gap. Stepping into an executive role requires translating tactical, hands-on skills into the strategic language of business leadership. This is the Safety Career Pivot. We've developed a 4-step blueprint to help you translate your skills and land your first HSEE Manager role. Technical knowledge of regulations is your baseline. The ability to communicate safety as a corporate strategy is what turns a specialist into a manager. The translation process begins with your resume. A common flaw in field workers' resumes is that they read like a daily punch list, focusing on routine compliance tasks and basic inspections. Hiring committees look for systemic business impact. You demonstrate this by using management verbs that reframe routine enforcement as proactive leadership. Instead of a tactical phrase like, "I checked harnesses," write, "led hazard assessments and enforced fall protection for 50-person crews, reducing incidents by 20%. These metrics are essential. Tying actions to crew size or incident reduction proves your protocols protect operational efficiency. This structure signals to hiring managers that you treat safety as a driver of corporate profitability rather than a clerical requirement. A translated resume earns the interview, but corporate recruiters use recognized certifications to validate your authority over complex systems. Training like the OSHA 30 provides a necessary foundation for the field, but it does not credential the strategic oversight required for executive management. To bridge the gap to management strategy, the industry recognizes the Associate Safety Professional, or ASP. The ASP validates knowledge of proactive risk management, ergonomics, and systems analysis. Above that is the Certified Safety Professional, the gold standard explicitly sought for senior director roles. Following this specific ladder proves to an employer that you have moved past tactical enforcement to become a leader of systemic change. In the interview phase, the nature of the test changes. Hiring managers aren't just checking your safety knowledge, they are evaluating your interpersonal leadership under pressure. The STAR method, situation, task, action, and result, structures your answers. Consider a foreman refusing PPE to save time. A manager's action phase shows conflict resolution, aligning safety with production goals to persuade him. To pass the interview, you must show you can influence culture so others choose to follow the rules, rather than relying on sheer authority. The final differentiator is your ability to hit the ground running. You seal the deal by bringing a proactive operational roadmap to the final interview. This timeline illustrates your immediate impact. In the first 30 days, you audit current systems and build relationships with frontline staff to understand the existing safety culture. You then detail your 60- and 90-day targets, specifically when you will launch training initiatives and begin tracking measurable KPI improvements. Presenting this roadmap shifts your status from an applicant to an incoming executive who is already solving the company's problems. To land the role, you must translate your field credibility, rewrite the resume, secure the certifications, master the behavioral interview, and plan your first 90 days. You already have the field credibility. Now translate it into management language. The safety manager role is closer than you think. Start your pivot today. If you want to learn more about safety career growth, certifications, and landing better roles, subscribe to the HSEstudy YouTube channel.